Hello guys, my name is Prince and this is Math Center. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Post your comments and questions on my social media handles and I'll respond to it. We are still on the topic linear inequalities. This will be the last video on linear inequalities. In the previous videos, we've learned how to solve word problems that involve the use of inequalities. In this video, we are going to consider the last example. So let's look at our question for this video. It says that 4 is added to 3 times a certain number. 4 is added to 3 times a certain number. The result is at least twice that number added to 10. Find the possible range of values of the number or for the number. So here we are talking about a certain number. We don't know that number, so we represent that by a variable. So I'm going to let x be the number. So the number is equal to x now. Now let's break the statement down and find the inequality. Then we solve it in order to find x. The first part of our statement is that 4 is added to 3 times a certain number. We now know that that number is x. So 4 is added to 3 times x. And that will give us 4 plus 3x. Since 3 times x is 3x. Let's move on to the next part. The result. The result is now 4 plus 3x. So this result, 4 plus 3x. This is the result that is talking about. This result, 4 plus 3x, is at least twice that number added to 10, sorry. It's at least twice that number added to 10. So the statement at least is playing a major role here. Now, which inequality sign are you going to use for this statement? At least. When I tell you that, give me at least 2 books, what does it mean? At least 2 books. That means that 2 or more books, or 2 greater than or equal to 2 books. So when I tell you to give me at least 2 books, I mean 2 or more books. Mathematically, that means greater than or equal to 2 books. So whenever you see the statement at least, the inequality sign you are going to use is greater than or equal to, because at least means that it's greater than or equal to what you are talking about. So here the statement says that 4 plus 3x is at least twice that number. That number is now x. So at least twice x added to 10. So the result is at least twice that number added to 10, which means that 4 plus 3x is greater than or equal to twice that number. That number is now x, so twice x, which is 2x, added to 10 plus 10. I'm going to go over it once again so that you get how you got to this point. Okay, so 4 is added to 3 times a certain number. We have represented that number by x. So 4 plus 3x. The result is at least, as I said, when you hear at least, it means that it's greater than or equal to. So at least twice that number added to 10. That number is x. So at least twice that number added to 10 means that greater than or equal to 2 times x, which is 2x, added to 10 plus 10. So we have 4 plus 3x greater than or equal to 2x plus 10. We now have our inequality. Now we are going to solve it. So 4 plus 3x is greater than or equal to 2x plus 10. We group like terms. So 3x and 2x will be on one side. 4 and 10 will be on the other side. So I'm going to send all the terms with x on the left hand side, then the ones without x on the right hand side. So I'm going to have 3x minus 2x is greater than or equal to 10 minus 4. 3x minus 2x will give us x. So x is greater than or equal to 10 minus 4 is 6, which means that we are having x is greater than or equal to 6. That means that the number is greater than or equal to 6. So any number greater than or equal to 6 will satisfy the condition that was given to us in the question. So the range of values are numbers that are greater than or equal to 6. Thank you for watching this video and all the videos on linear equations and linear inequalities. There are a lot of examples for you to solve. Try your hands on these examples from your textbooks. Solve more questions. If you have any problems, interact with me on my social media handles and I'll help you to solve the questions. Bye bye.